there! On this episode of Learning Explorer, we're going to learn how to write a letter. I use animal letters to help me write my letters correctly. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. That's right, where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want to write them really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today we're going to learn how to write the letter P. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase p is? That's right, it's the monkey letter. I love doing monkey letters because we get to go below the line. Oh, this is going to be so exciting. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we write the letters, we do it 2 times. One is with the dotted lines, and the second time we do it all by ourselves. Oh, I can't wait to do the letter P. Do you have your paper? And do you have your pencil? Are you ready to write the letter P with me? All right, here we go. Okay, when we're doing the uppercase P, we have to start right up here at the top, and then we go straight down. Are you ready? Do you have your pencil in the right place? Here we go. Go straight down. I'm sure you're doing a great job. When I get to the bottom, I'm going to stop. Stop! And then I come back to the top, and then I go all the way around. Here we go. To the middle line, I curve it back in, back to the line. And there is the uppercase P. Now with the lowercase p, I'm going to start it at the middle line. If I start at the top, I'm just doing another uppercase letter. If I start it at the bottom, that's exactly what usually happens. People go like this and they go, and then it's an uppercase P. And we don't want that. So we never start at the bottom. Okay, let's do the lowercase p the right way. I am starting in the middle. Put your pencil in the same place. And remember, this is the exciting part. I get to go below the line. Here we go. You guys ready? Let's go down. Now when I get to that bottom line, I don't stop. I go below the line. Yay! And I stop there. And then I come back to the middle line. And then I go all the way around, and then back to the line. And there is my lowercase p. Well, we've done it with the dotted line, so what do we do next? That's right. While I'm erasing, get ready, get your paper ready. Get your paper ready. Get your pencil ready. Oh my goodness, you guys are so awesome. I bet your P's look way better than mine. But that's why we practice. We practice on the lines so that we can just get better and better all the time. And so our letters look super nice. Okay, you ready to do it by ourselves? Here we go. I'm gonna start at the top. Here we go. And then I go what? I go down all the way to the bottom and stop. Did you get there? And then I'm gonna come back to the top. And then I go across. Oops. Look, I made a mistake. And mistakes are okay. I can erase, just like that's why you have an eraser on your pencil. I can erase it and I start again because I want to make them look nice for you. There you go, and then I go around and come back to the middle line. Look at that P. That's pretty nice. I like that one. Okay, let's do the lowercase p. Remember, I'm not going to start at the bottom. I'm going to start at the middle line, and then I go down. And this is the really cool part. I don't stop here. I go below the line and then stop. And then I come back to the top, and what do? I go over and around again. And then come back to the line and stop. And there are our P's. Wow! Did you guys have fun doing the letter P? I sure did. Man, our P's look good. Well, I hope you'll come back and do another letter with me because I had so much fun doing this one. We'll see you next time. Bye!